I am so happy that we are living in this generation that it's really easy to make $500 every single day just by using your mobile phone and Bible. And the very good thing about these methods that I'm going to share with you in this video is that everyone can do this. Even a very young kid can go ahead and perform this task and start making money just by doing what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's now dive in and see all these three methods that you are going to use to start making $500 every single day. And the good thing about this is that I am going to show you proof on how much can you really make, so you can be motivated as well and start making money just like other people how are making money just by using Bible on this platform. Alright, so we have 3 steps to start making money using Bible, and I'm going to take you step by step so you can understand clearly on how you can start making money using Bible and your mobile phone. So let's now dive in and see our first step. So this is our very first method, and what I really like about this method is that it's very good to make money while you're spreading the good word of the Lord. So right now let's start with our first method. Our very first method is called bring Bible stories to life. So the reason that I say that this is like the best way for you to start making money and is the easiest way for you to start making money. Right now I'm going to show you this channel right here. It's called the Bible in a Nutshell. This is a YouTube channel, and this person who owns this channel, he makes at least $500 up to $1,800 every single day. And the only thing that he does on this channel is using very simple method that everyone, even with no experience, can apply this method and start making at least $500 a day. So I am going to show you step by step what you have to do to start making this amount of money every single day. This channel, it has more than 300,000 subscribers, but also the most popular video on this channel, it has more than 3.5 million views. You can see there are a lot of people who are watching video like this, but also every time that this person posts a video on this channel, he's going to receive at least 200k views or 300k views every time that these videos have been posted on this channel. So you can see there are a lot of people who are watching videos like this. So right now I want to show you something right here, and this is the total amount of views that this person receives every single month. And you can see last year on October, he received 2 million views on a single month. So every time that you make more than 2 million views on YouTube, especially if you post educational content, you'll be in a position to make up to $25,000, because YouTube is going to pay you $10 per 1,000 views, up to $12 per 1,000 views. So every time you make more than 2,000 views, that means that you'll be in a position to make at least $24. So if you make more than 2 million views, you will be in a position to make more than $25,000. So right now, let's see how are you also going to make this amount of money just by posting Bible stories on your YouTube channel. Alright, so right now I'm taking my laptop right here, and I'm going to show you how are you going to do this. You have to go to this channel, which is called Bible in a Nutshell, and you have to choose any video that you like. But right now I'm going ahead and choose this video with the most views. As you can see, this video, it got more than 3.5 million views. So I'm going ahead and I'm choosing this video. Then you have to click this video, and you have to scroll down here, and you have to click this word which is written as share. So after clicking this share, you're gonna have to copy this link, and this link is already been copied right here, and you are going to this website which is called invideo.ai. So right after copying our YouTube link, now we are in this platform which is called invideo.ai, and on this platform we are going to generate our own video, which is very simple. This is what you have to do on this platform. Alright, so you have to come down here, you have to scroll down here, you have to click this place which is written as generate a video. So since you're a beginner, you can go ahead and create your account, which usually takes very short time. But if you have Gmail account, you have to sign up with your Gmail account. You have to sign in with your Gmail account. It's very easy. This website is going to take you here. So right after signing on this platform, this page is going to show up, and as you can see right here, after this page showing up, you have to come down here and click this place which is written as workflows. And this is where we're gonna create our own video with a link that we copied from YouTube. So you have to click here, link to video. All right, now we are going to paste our link down here, and you have to use generated clip only. Then you have to click continue, as you can see right here. The next click, you have to click right here, which is written as generate a video. Now this is going to take a few minutes because it's gonna generate a very amazing video. So it's gonna take at least 2 minutes, and after that this page will show up. Then you have to click continue. Our video is gonna take only a few seconds, and as you can see, this is a video that we created. Now you have to take a look on this video that we created from InVideo.ai. You just have to watch this video.
The birth of Samson was a miracle. An angel appeared to his barren mother. A son, the angel proclaimed, would be born to her.
Alright, so since we have already created this beautiful video, right now you have to come down here, then download this video and save it on your files. So this is our second method for you to start making money on YouTube. This is very easy. You have to go to ChatGPT and you have to ask ChatGPT to give you any story from the Bible, any amazing story which is interesting and very engaging from the Bible. And actually I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, as you can see right here, and ChatGPT is gonna generate for us a very beautiful story. And this story, you can do the following to this website, which is called InVideo.ai. After ChatGPT has given you this amazing story, you have to go to InVideo.ai and do the following. You have to come down here and click explain a video. Then you have to paste this title that you get from ChatGPT, and you have to add in video information that you get from ChatGPT. Then you have to choose only generated clips. Then you have to continue by clicking this press, which is written as generate a video, which is going to take like a few minutes, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Now your video will be ready within 3 minutes or 2 minutes. It just depends on your network. Then after that, you have to download this video. These are the two methods that you can use to generate videos on this platform. First of all, we used copy and paste the link from YouTube to InVideo. Then we have created a beautiful video, but also we just used the ChatGPT to create or generate a video. So right after using this method, it's up to you. You can use by link or you can use by ChatGPT. So this is our last step, and I think it's very interesting because this is how you're going to make money just by posting different videos on YouTube. If you've never had a YouTube channel before and you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, just listen to me because this is very simple, and this is like the only way for you to start making money on YouTube. First of all, you have to go to Google. Then you have to write sign up Gmail account. Sign up Gmail account. Then you have to click here. Then this page will show up, and you have to write your first name, your last name. Then you have to write your basic information right here. And the last thing, you have to write your password and your phone number for verification. So this verification code will be sent on your, and after that you already have Gmail account. So once you have Gmail account, it's very easy to create a YouTube channel. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to www.youtube.com. then you have to sign in with the same information that you have on your email. Actually, on this new email that you have created, you have to write the same email and the same password. Then after signing in on YouTube, you have to click this place which is written as create a channel. So after that, you already have a YouTube channel, and you can name any name that you want on your YouTube channel, and you can start posting different videos just by using two methods that I've already showed you earlier in this video. So you can use these methods to start to generate different videos, ideas, and you start posting this on YouTube, and you can get money just after that. And the good thing about YouTube is that it's a very trustful platform, and a lot of people are making decent amount of money. As I showed you, this person is making at least $500 a day, $800 a day. So if you're going to be posting consistently on this platform, you're going to be the one also who is making at least $25,000 a month. So I really encourage anyone who is willing to start making money but it doesn't want to show his or her face on YouTube. I think this is the best way for you to start making money without showing your face on YouTube. And a lot of people are making decent amount of money. You don't have to show your face on YouTube to start making money, because there are, there are a lot of AI tools that are going to help you and start making money, and this is among of those tools that is really going to generate different videos for you, and you're going to make money on YouTube. So thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope that you are going to try this out. You just don't have to watch these videos and don't do anything about this video. You really have to try this out. You really have to make sure that you make this kind of money maybe before this year ends. You just have to be serious. You just have to focus on your YouTube, and I'm pretty sure that everything is really going to be just amazing for you. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much.